Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I just have a pretty short little new purchase from recently. All of the stuff, the three things I had to show, were a total of $15, plus eventually helping one of my friends fix up one of his engines, which may or may not be a future video. If not, you can just, one of you who's wondering, can just be confused forever. So, with that out of the way, I'll show you the things I bought. So pretty much all these were $5 each. So the first up is this little Rock Island ore car. I love the Rock Island paint scheme. It's not in perfect shape. I'll see if I can get the thing to focus better. It's not in perfect shape, although I have already upgraded the coupler height as well as the wheels and couplers. So this one works well. The steps aren't perfect, but I do quite like the car. Plus, I need more ore cars, because aside from this one, I only have one other of the similar era, and I'd eventually like to have a smallish ore train going. So, now these next two things, which, if you couldn't tell, this will be a really quick video. These next two things go along with each other, and I was going to say they're one number off, but they're very much not. So this is a Fleischmann Santa Fe high-level coach. This is my... I guess if you're considering the other Fleischmann engine I have, my second piece of Fleischmann HO scale rolling stock, which, again, I wanted some high levels just for some future modeling stuff, and these ones aren't great. They're way too short, the proportions are really wrong on them, but for $5, I just wanted them. I can get rid of them eventually if I get new ones at some point. I want to get a lot of passenger cars in the future and upgrade my fleet and stuff and sell off some other stuff. So eventually these will probably end up going away. But they are nice cars. They have actual rubber diaphragms. The trucks are a little bit odd. I have also upgraded some of these cars. Some of them had Katie's already installed, so I left them alone. But I upgraded, like on this car, you can see where I added an actual coupler box, and on this one, it's a little bit janky. These were also screw-in, but we're missing the screws, so for now they are just glued into place. I can remove them. It's not the best solution, but it looks better than having some random screws there. So now lastly, if you couldn't guess off the other one, it's another Santa Fe high level. I thought this one said 531, but I'm very wrong. It's 721, so it is in no way close in number to the other one. Exact same story as the other one. I don't have much to add to this. But yeah, you can see underneath, I have upgraded the couplers on this one too. So that is that one. So thanks for watching this little video. And for the next video, if you want a little sneak peek, it's going to be about something else I bought for $5 that's much cooler than all this, which is